Students, today our book is Top Line Grip on Mathematics of Class 5. It is over page number 5 and our lesson is some more numbers. Natural number. The numbers which are present naturally from 1 to onward are natural numbers. Primary number is just like an odd numbers because they comes only in their own tables or in the tables of 1 is called primary numbers. Now next move towards composite numbers. We can call composite numbers as even numbers, as primary number is odd numbers, so composite numbers are an even number because they have factors more than 2, because they comes in more than 2 tables, means they comes in their own table of 1 and other than. Now over page number is 6 and our exercise is 1.2. Separate prime and composite numbers from these. We have to separate prime and composite numbers. So let's do our work. Page 6, exercise 1.2, part 1. 13, 20, 23, 29, 31, 37, 42, 54, 78 and 81. We have to write that which numbers are prime and which numbers are composite. We have to, as we know that odd numbers are also called a prime numbers. The numbers which have come only in their own table or a table of 1 is called prime number, as 13 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number because 29 comes in a table of 1 or in a 29's table. Now 31 and 37, 20, 42, 54, 78 and 81, because these numbers come in their own table, in a table of 1, in a table of 2. They all number comes in a table of 2. Now move towards question number 2. List prime numbers from 1 to 40. We have to list prime numbers which have come from 1 to 40. Prime numbers, the numbers which have come in their own table or in a table of 1, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, what are the prime numbers whose differences is 1? Okay, differences is 1. We have two prime numbers right here in which the difference is 1. The prime number 2 and 3 are prime number and they have a difference of only 1 digit. Just like if 3 and 5 is a prime number but there is a difference of 1 digit, but there is no difference, so these are prime number. Part number 4, part number 5, part number 4 here. Write all composite number. Write all composite number which are greater than 10. Greater than 10 but less than 30. Okay, we have to write all composite number. The composite number, the numbers which have come in a table of 2, like 12, 14, 15, 16. We can call composite number an even number. 18, 20, 21 and 22, because these all are greater than 10 and less than 30. Question number 5. What is the smallest two-digit prime number? Two-digit prime number. What is the smallest two-digit prime number? This is 11 because it have two digits and it is the smallest prime number. It's part number 6. What is the smallest composite number? Yes, smallest composite number. Okay, what is the smallest composite number? The smallest composite number is 4 because 4 is a composite number and it is the smallest. Find two prime numbers whose difference is 3. Okay, difference is 3. Yes, we have to find a prime number, two prime numbers in which their difference is 3, 5 and 2, because if we can count from 5 and 2, we can say 2, 3, 4 and 5. The difference is 3. Okay, I hope you all understand it. The remaining questions is your task, that you have to do question number 8, 9 and 10 with your own self. Okay, you have to do these questions. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.